With each passing minute, the threat of cyber attacks on people, organizations, and governments grows stronger. Are you curious to learn why, despite all efforts, cyber attacks are still on the rise? Did you know that there is a critical shortage of cybersecurity professionals in the United States, especially Colorado? To train the next generation of cybersecurity professionals, the University of Colorado Denver Business School is hosting a Cybersecurity Summer Camp. Explore cybersecurity with hands-on exercises, virtual labs, and games. Learn about social engineering, digital forensics, networking, cybersecurity career paths, and more. The GenCyber Summer Camp is completely free and sponsored by the National Security Agency and the National Science Foundation. Space is limited. Apply now. For more information, visit www.ucdenver.edu/GenCyber.